Today we're going to pull this boat off the trailer, flip it upside down. I've got some cinder blocks, some 2x4s with carpet on them, and we're going to use that to set the boat on. Yeah, I've got some ugly plastic wrap all over it. That's mostly to keep it clean. I've got a lot of work put into the top. I probably should have done the bottom first, and I think that's maybe why people do the bottom first. But we do have some carpeted bunks, well, the 2x4s with carpet on them that we'll flip this over. And we're going to do this with two people, so wish me luck. This will either go really good or it'll be a total failure. We'll find out soon. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get the boat off the trailer with just two people. I'll show you how we're going to do it. First thing we're going to do is we got the trailer hooked up to the truck. We're going to pull it forward about 3 feet or so, and then you'll see what I do from there.
Ready?
Yep. Alright, pull it forward. Alright, that's good. A little bit more. Alright, stop. Alright, so we got this boat pulled forward. I'm going to set some blocks up with a piece of wood, a 2x4 that's been carpeted. We call it a temporary bunk. Here's the 2x4. Alright, now basically slide it over the trailer.
Hold on, stuff hooked up here.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
No wonder it's so hard.
Yeah, there you go. So you want me to drive the trailer out?
Not yet.
No, I mean, is that the plan though?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah. A little more. Alright, stop. Let me see where it's at. Alright.
I'm doing it.
Go ahead.
Good?
Yep.
Oh, hold on. The brake is tilted.
The leaves are supposed to be down already. Alright, let's get it over a little bit more. Keep an eye on the brakes as I'm doing this.
Okay. Alright.
Alright, ready?
Let me get a better.
Hold it.
Pick it up with Scooty too.
And there you go. How to take a 13-foot whaler off the trailer and flip it with only 2 people. Just going to fine tune these brakes a little bit so that the brakes are picking up the load rather than the 2x4. The 2x4s are bending a little bit. I probably should have put 2 on each side, but we'll get along with this.
There, I'll wait from you.
All right, so we've got it off the trailer, we've got it flipped over, and now as the weather allows, because it is winter, I'll be sanding on it, and if it gets warm enough, I'll be doing some patchwork to the fiberglass and the holes in it. But here it is, holes in reasonably good shape. Not too bad. There's a couple of spots that need repair, but there's really no soft spots. Other than one of the chines has a lot of damage to it, but I can fix that. That's not that hard to tackle with fiberglass. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope it's been helpful to you. If it has, hit like, share it, and don't forget to subscribe.